don't grab me, don't grab me. Is that? Don't grind me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is ROENA Robinson and I am your SBR queen. SBR simply means styled by ROENA. If you're new here as well, I'd love if you guys could subscribe, like, share, and just like comment and just join the family because it's lit, okay? Alright, in today's video, we are reviewing this hair from Hot Beauty Hair. Let me let it down. I caught it out. It is their 10-inch curly fringe highlight wig. It is called Pissy Curl. So I will be unboxing and like reviewing this hair overall. So if you're interested, definitely do continue watching. And I also have a discount code, ROENA. You can use it to get 10% off the site, all right? The link for the hair will be down below, as well as the discount code, just in case you guys forget. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. So Hot Beauty Hair has sent me their 10-inch fringe highlight wig, and they promise that I can wear it in 10 seconds. All right, I should be able to put it on my head and be wearing it within 10 seconds, not minutes, seconds. So we're going to test it out today in our video. If you're new here, do subscribe, like, leave your comment, let me know that you're new, and include hashtag SBRNation in your comments for a chance to be shouted out in my next video, alright? So all of you, subscribe, you get me? Alright, so now we're going to unbox this Hot Beauty hair, and this is the packaging for this hair. It's real nice. It has like a pearl effect. Can you see like that shine? Yeah. So it's nice. It is a royal blue, or yeah, box, and then obviously the ribbon is gold, which is nice. And on it, it says Hot Beauty Hair, Hot Girl, and Enjoy Beauty. All right. So I guess this is for every hot girl or everyone who enjoys beauty. All right, so we open the package, and you know that I love a good packaging in it. I love when I get loads of stuff. So I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. So let's look in. So they have got a little package here, and in the package some stuff are in there, so we'll do that next. Yeah, we'll look into that afterwards. They do give us a wig cap. So this, and it's 2 pieces, yep, one size fits all. They do have the hair in this, yeah, and then they have the hair care brochure thing. All right, then it says, thanks for choosing Hot Beauty Hair. We hope you enjoy your hair journey and be a hot girl every day. Amy, the founder. Okay, and obviously they have how to maintain your hair and the questions like about the product and usage and stuff. All right, and obviously they have their contact details down here in case you need to contact them and stuff. So you can find them on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and on Pinterest at Hot Beauty Hair. All right, so in our little package we get some okay, so we get 2 of these little clips, which is nice. We got 2 of those. We do get baby hair comb and the brush, nice. And we do get some bobby pins as well. Who does this packaging remind you of? Comment down below if you've been watching my videos, who. And then we also get this, which is an elastic band that you can help tighten your wigs should you need any. And we also get tweezers, yeah? And that is all that comes in here. Okay, so not bad at all. Let's just put back our goodies up and get them out the way so we can delve into the main event, right? All right. It is their 10 inches curly highlight wig. It's their fringe wig as well. And it is called Pissy Curl. This is gonna be something new for me because I've done fringe before, but it has always been like straight and like they've been longer. So to do a curly plus fringe here, it's gonna be different. Okay, so let's look at the construction of this wig. All right, so when you open it, it has a band. So this is the band that came inside as well there. So it has one of those already attached to it. It has combs at the back, at the sides. Yeah, so it has 3 combs. Yeah. And then it also has like adjustable straps here at the back. So you can adjust this even more. So you have this, you have the combs, and you have more adjustable straps. All right. Now I'm going to take this off the thing. Ooh. Ooh, that was easy. I thought it was going to be hard. Okay. Shall we try? Oh, you guys know you don't need to do baby hairs for this. I already had them done, so that's why I have baby hairs on. But as I said, this is a fringe, so you don't need to do baby hairs or none of that. My code is ROENA, and that will give you guys about 10% off. So if you go on a site, you check it out, and you find something you like, and you want to, like, obviously order something, get some money off. We all know we're living in a pandemic, and we gotta save them coins. So use my code ROENA for 10% off, okay? Alright, so we're gonna try this now. I'm quite excited actually. I said I was gonna test their 10 minutes, 10 seconds thing. Alright, so count with me. Alright, I'm gonna attempt to put it on. So count with me, alright? Okay. The back, that's the back secured. That's the front. And let me put the under. Okay, so that's it, to be fair. It's all secured. I feel like, okay. Well, wait, first of all, was that 10 seconds? Was that 10 seconds, guys? To be secured? If that was 10 seconds, then yeah. It does live up to that because it's really easy to be secured. I have some curl activator here with water. And I'm gonna like spray it in my hair. Wow. I'm gonna spray it in my hair and then use my detangle comb to get these curls popping. Then I might go for my scissors and like, yeah, cool.
Is there? On a don't grind me. First thing on a bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth.
Ooh. By the way, this is human hair as well, guys. I don't remember if I said that. It is human hair indeed. It does feel really soft. It does feel really soft. Hold on. Okay. Should I go cut it or should I? Let's bring it back a bit. I'm gonna cut the curls to be a bit. Ooh, wait, did that just work? Did that just work? Did that just, oh my, wait. Oh, hold on, let me get my ears out. Okay, hold on. Hold on now. Okay, hold on there. Hold on. Because I do want it to kind of have like a short up here and then like come down in a swoop kind of effect. So if I can do it without cutting it, then that would be great. Which it looks like it's working. And then swoop down here. See if I can. Okay. Oh, because I put this behind my ears. Let's spray it around here some more. This is so different from me. I'm still getting used to it. It's looking a bit better, but I'm still getting used to it. Let me get used to it and give my final thoughts on it. You know something that does look so different? You know, anybody who knows me knows I've never done anything like this. In terms of like it being a curly fringe as well. So let's spray some more spray on it. Okay. Oh, and cool. All right. So let's. When you guys wear curly hair, how do you prefer? Do you prefer it to be like bouncy curly or like wet and wavy curly? I find that on some hairs I prefer it bouncy, but then on some I find it wet and wavy to be nicer. Supposed to wear it like in a little clip like this. You know, I feel like that looks better. I like that style, like it could clip up. What y'all think? I'm still getting used to it. Like sometimes I look in the camera and it looks so nice, and then sometimes I'm like, wait, who is that? So I'm still getting used to it. You know, them times when I say, oh nah, yeah, I feel like I look good, and then sometimes it change. Let me know if you guys have ever tried a wig like this. This is my first time trying it, so I'm still getting used to this look. It is their highlight wig, Pissy Curl, and this is by Hot Beauty, Hot Girl. Let me know your thoughts on how it looks, and if you guys have ever like tried a hair like this, like fringe that is curly. It's a different look for me. This I think looks cute like this, and it's caught up to the back. This does not look bad. Like this. When I catch it to the back, right? And like I do a good thing. And I can leave a little drop down here. And one there, yeah. I like it like this. I prefer it like this. As I said, I've never tried this style before, so I'm still getting used to it. But let me know what you guys think. My discount code ROENA will be in the description. You can definitely go on the site and get some money off when you purchase, all right? Thank you, Hot Beauty here, for sponsoring this video. And I'll see you guys in another video, all right?
Clear way when you drink or sing, see your money clip ram up, the clear now hit shit. I'm not dumb, but I be a talking.